Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys are now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you, and it looks good. Looks like everybody was rushing back to get homes before school starts. We know next week's going to be a little bit down because back to school, and everybody's been back to school shopping, so we didn't think much house shopping would be going on this week, but we're seeing tons of up arrows. You know, we've got active available listings up 2%, week over week up 44% year over year. New listings are up 4% week over week, up 18% year over year. Solds were up 4% week over week, up 21% year over year. Pendings were up 1% week over week, up 17% year over year. Saw median sale price coming up again, so we're showing appreciation again. We're showing still trending. We've seen a bit of a trending in depreciation, but you know, over the last 12 months, we're still seeing 4% appreciation. This week came in at 2%. Median sale price came in at $255,000 for last 7 days. We did see days on market slow up a little bit to 25 average, 14 median, but that's still just a little bit slower than last year, so it's on pace with last year where it was 21 average, 10 median. Saw last 12 months homes sold coming at 4,489, up 4% versus last year, and still got 2.94 buyers per listing. Still a seller's market, right around 2 months inventory. 3 months we start to get into a equal. 3 to 6 is a balanced market. So we're getting there. Eventually we're going to get there. We know everything goes up and down, so it goes in cycles. We've been on the longest bull run in history. Price has been going up for over 11 years now. So we know eventually it's got to end or stall a little bit. Maybe we're there. Who knows? But I doubt there's going to be a crash. There's only been one crash in 90 years. So don't count on the crash. All right. Everybody make it a great day. If you need anything, feel free to reach out to us. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.